good evening to this roundtable. I say roundtable, and usually you have a picture of it in your mind of a round table with people sitting around the table, but this is a very, very large roundtable because we have people in Australia, we have people in the UK, and we have somebody in Italy. So it's a very big roundtable, but I'm sure you understand the concept. Today, I'm just to introduce myself. My name is Sug Sahadevan. I'm the CEO and founder of Testhouse Limited. We are a QA and QC consultancy company, which is quality assurance and quality control. Quality assurance being the process of taking an idea from inception to delivery. From a software perspective, and that's one of the things that we do in quality assurance, and we focus heavily on D365, which is one of our core strengths. And I'll talk a little bit about D365, but we follow the waterfall, agile, and also the DevOps, kind of implementing DevOps for customers. That's roughly a quick 1 minute introduction of my organization. Dynamics D365 started as a number of different disparate products from Microsoft called Dynamics CRM, Dynamics AX, Dynamics Nav, and Dynamics Great Plains or GP. And Microsoft then invested heavily into that. They refactored, they recompartmentalized, redesigned, put a common bus underneath it called Common Data Services, and put it on the cloud and called it D365, and added a few more components or modules, if you like. So you've got the D365 sales module, you've got the marketing module, you've got the FinOps module, you've got the Business Central, you've got retail, you've got talent, professional services, and field services. I think I've covered most of those there. So really the idea is that you can run an organization buying the different modules, and you don't really need to have any other software.